Ibland kan de bara skjuta dig framåt.
Så det är bara att hålla i hela vägen upp?
Ja, bara hoppas på det bästa.
Okay, this is gonna be the scariest thing today. Okej, du tar den nu. Och sen väntar du. What? När åker den då? När åker den? Är det bara att åka? Wow! Ah, kind of comfortable. So we're on our way to the top of the bike park that some people would say is the best one in Sweden. I think it has the most like free ride and jump inspiration, and now it's a super steep hill up here. But yeah, super stoked to try it out today. There's gonna be an airbag session, also a whip off jam later. It's kind of like an awesome season ender today, so yeah, can't wait to see what this day has to offer, and yeah, stoked to be here. Whoa, whoa, det lyftas a turn. Almost dropped everything there. Men då finns det 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 styckna leder.
Det finns nog fler.
Ja.
Det finns lite gömda leder också.
Oh, enduro sesh. Wow. Whoa. Fan, feta leder alltså. Whoa. Everything is so well built. Whoa. So good, Ella?
So good.
So good.
Insane, but I will take on my goggles. At the bottom.
Yes.
Amazing.
Wow! Whoa. Yeah! Whoa, so many options. Whoa.
Yeah,
Really good.
insane.
Yeah, what's your first impressions of the...
It's like a very slopestyle and freeride inspired line everywhere, because there's like jumps and berms everywhere that you can kind of take, and like transfers.
Yeah.
So like first impression, very playful, and I think just perfect conditions today.
Yeah, for sure. And also you could see all the like tracks next to us. Like you saw so many jumps around you, but you couldn't really like see them properly. So I'm super keen to figure out what the mountain has to offer now.
Yeah, that was like the first lap, and you see like I heard there's 6 different tracks.
Yeah.
And like the tracks also like divide a bit further down in the track, so there should be a bunch more than that. And this one was sick. I could ride this one by like alone all day, pretty much.
Me too. Yeah, let's head up there again. Men vi följer Fredrik då. Så får... så...
Det blir bra.
Okej, tack. Du får guida, äntligen. Så. Just det, du skulle köra före. Nice. Ja, jag hoppar kort.
Jag med.
Kommer det ett litet gap över vägen. Step up, step down. 4 stycken rollers. Så är det en sharkfin. Sen är det en dubbel. En till dubbel. Sen step down, dubbel. En step up och sen en step down. På step upen måste du rycka lite.
Okay. Following our tour guide here. He's a local in the bike park. Wow, he takes a little speed for this. Wow! 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 Okay, this is... Okay, I'm gonna take the... I lost track of the tour guide. Wow! So sticky! Yeah. Oh, fan, det var nice ju!
Ja, jag sög på den där alltså.
Ja, alltså... Det är Kisa.
Farten är svår idag.
Okay, so I'm following Jimmy Niemann here. We are gonna hit the big rock roll. First these rollers. Wow! Whoa! Wow! Intense. Whoa! Okay. Here it is, I guess. Oh, wow. Looks pretty big. Whoa. So steep. Yeah. Yo! I'm actually a bit scared and the kids are just dropping in. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! Helvete! What? Alla bara sändar.
Jag ser inte ens hur det ser ut längst nere.
Men jag ser ju inte heller.
Are you afraid, Elof?
No.
No.
I'm terrified.
Fan, det ser läskigt ut alltså. Varningsstup. Jo, den är ju bra. Ja. Okej.
Let's go.
Köpte. Yeah. Wow. Fan, det var nice ju. Fett. Ja, samma. Fan, ni bara droppa in alltså. Ja, tack. Samma. Fan, grimman är som bara kör den där ändå. Another hit on the biggest jump line here. Okay. Wow. That's kind of sick. A bit too windy.
Ja, jag blåser lite.
Ja. Oh. Kind of like a FMX kicker. What do you think, Elof?
Very nice.
Very nice.
This is actually the airbag I will do bike shows on
Oh, really?
in 2023. Yeah.
So sick.
And I didn't get to do the first jump. The kids did.
Kind of sucks.
That kind of sucks.
But yeah, we got a
Thanks,
chance to try it out now, so yeah, let's try it.
Should be that at least.
Yeah, like I mean the kicker is a bit mellow. Okay, I actually did one jump, but I think it didn't film. One more. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, one of the sender kids trying out the big one. Wow! Okej, jag följer dig. Yeah! Ja, det var nice! Loffle! Yeah! Wow! Den var lite flack, Loffe!
Är det jag som har kameran, är det jag som är på bild?
So we tried out the airbag. Yeah, me and Olof are gonna do a small jam session here later, and soon it's whip-offs. But before, we are gonna try to ride some downhill tracks. We have only been hitting like 2 or 3 laps or tracks yet, and yeah, there is a bunch left. So, or actually 3 more. But yeah, we're gonna try one now. 4 more, actually, I can see. But yeah, let's try the real downhill lap.
Yes.
Yes. But you go first.
Why do I need to go first? Is it seriously no jumps or rocks?
I have no idea.
I promise.
You have no idea either. This is your first time.
But Jimmy said it's nothing.
But Jimmy went the other way. He could be lying and just left us.
That would be so fun.
So I go first.
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Hey bro, hey bro.
What is the black line?
Oh. Whoa. And I don't have any goggles. Whoa. Already slippery. Whoa, quite a nice view here though. Wow. 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 Wow! 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 Oh shit, I can't focus. Oh shit. Wow. Okay, 1 lap here and completely dirty. So much fun though. So Elof, whip off is about to start.
It's about to happen. I think it's actually... We missed the first 5 minutes, so we better hurry.
Oh shit, okay, let's drop in.
Lead the way then.
Okay. Oj! Oj, oj, oj! Oj, oj, oj! Här var det folk.
Ja, whip-off nu.
Åh! Är det bara att köra eller? Okej. Kan jag lina er? Ja, jag kör.
Linar vi nu?
Ja, jag tror det. Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Filmar du igen?
Ja, det gjorde jag.
Fan vad nice. Det kom lite kort där, men det...
Vi kände... Jävlar.
Nice!
Yeah.
Cool! Jag måste... Yeah! Yo! Har något som... Oh shit. För jag tror någon låg i landningen. Jag bara shit.
Jag såg din reaktion.
Ja. I feel like we're a bit tired of the whips now, so maybe do some tricks.
Yeah, do what we actually do.
Yeah. Okay, so Elof wanted to do a backflip here. Let's see. It's a master of them, so yeah. So that was a whip-off qualifier. I didn't really know that, but I qualified. So top 10 gets to do some more whips, and I can't do any better than that. So yeah, I will just have some fun. Oh! Airbag session, Elof. Yeah. Yeah. So there is a speed meter here. You can see how fast we go. 39, ja.
Jag får lite på Elof.
Ja, vad nice ju. Kör lite snabbt.
I ride faster than you.
Du kör sten, sax, påse om 360 på lilla.
Jag vet inte hur...
4 stycken. Sten, sax, påse. Okej, påse. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ja men kom igen nu.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Jag kan börja.
Okej.
Varför kör du just där? Det står faktiskt.
Yo! Yo, okej. Fan, det måste man... Yo! Yeah. Nice.